Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today we're out here on the property again. We're going to continue working on our outdoor kitchen.
We're going to be putting up the post, the roof, and hopefully the walls.
Yep, so let's go get started.
Okay, well, last video we had built this deck. So this video we're going to be putting up posts on the four corners so we can start building the structure that's going to support the roof. I just want to get it in place where once I get to a certain point, then I can work on it being level. And we do have this available to make sure that our posts are level, and it's going to be level based on the deck. So you want to make sure that your deck is level before you do something like this.
So do you want to tell me what you're doing?
Well, we didn't bring our miter saw out today, so I'm going to use the little electric chainsaw we got. I got it hooked to the generator. I need to cut these posts down to 7 feet. So in the front, it'll be 8 feet, in the back, it'll be 7 feet. So when we put the roof on, it'll have a nice angle going back. Because our intention is we're going to capture the rainwater and use that for our kitchen and potentially for the shower too. A little bit of a rough cut, but it's an easy cut. As of right now, the posts are right where they're supposed to be. We're putting these 2x4s all the way around. Once we get to 10, we're going to measure to make sure we have exact locations for where it's going to attach. We're going to be putting a screen door on this side, so we're not going to put this post up yet, but it's coming together. All right, so far we have 4 posts up in the corners. We have 1 post halfway in the back. We have all of our 2x4s for the roof line. Next we're going to put in the 2x4x10s for the rafters. Plus we're going to have 1 2x4 back here connecting those 2 2x12s or 2x4x12s, and then 1 in the front because we got the 12-foot pieces of tin, which will be our roof. Well, the 10-foot boards are a little bit too long based on the positioning. for the roof. So I'm going to have to cut off probably about 3 inches off of each, just to make them fit within the measurements. It's a 10 by 10 deck, but you can see that we moved the posts slightly in all the way around, just to make sure they were secure. So that is what accounts for the 3-inch difference. But just going to cut this, slide them into our rafter brackets, and make sure it fits snug, and then get them screwed in and keep moving. If I could give you a tip, if you want to do this kind of thing, or you want to do like we did earlier this year with traveling and seeing everything possible, go ahead and do it early. Go ahead and do it while you're younger. You can plan all you want, but until you go out and do it, or you go out and start building, it's all plans and it means nothing. And you might get to a point where you're approaching 60 and you still have the drive to do it, but your body can't keep up. So if you're younger and you want to do this kind of stuff, just do it.
Don't wait.
Don't wait. We're still going to do it. We're still going to keep doing all this.
Yeah.
It's just what might take you 3 days, 2 weeks possibly. We'll see.
But we're still doing it.
Yep, we're still doing it. And it's going to be amazing.
That's right.
And it's going to be wonderful. Because,
I mean, we're not professionals.
By far. But it's like, I'm looking out at the creek. Everything is blurry. I don't have my glasses on, but I don't need my glasses for here. I need them to see over there. So I don't want to keep going back and forth. But that's another reason why you want to do it while you're younger. Because if I want to see that right now, I got to put my glasses on. All I see right now is just little stuff moving.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm sure you could have been a little stronger, but I did it.
All right, this is gonna wrap up this video. So we got the roof put on, the tin roof. We have all the walls put up, and we have the deck done. So we're at a good spot right now. Don't forget, if you like the video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures and our construction projects, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Post, the roof, and possibly the walls. Good morning, everybody.